guys, I'm Calvin from Tungsten Electricals, and with me here I have a Lorenzetti Duo Shower. Lorenzetti Duo Shower, and this is how it looks like when it's in its package. This is the box, and how it looks like. And today I want to show you how it looks like when it's installed on your wall. So let me show you. Lorenzetti Duo Shower, it has a big head, this one here, and an angular water outlet, which means it has two. It has a bigger one overhead and the angular water outlet. And this one here, this knob, when it faces down, the outlet is from the overhead and the angular one. And when it's either on this side, it's either one, the overhead one or the angular one. And when you turn it to this side, it's either one of these ones. And the good thing of the shower, the angular part, the angular outlet, you can tilt it to your desired angle or the way you want the water outlet to be. You can turn it this way. You can look at this one here, this way, as per your desire. And again, it has different it has different temperature ranges. When it's on this side, you turn it gently. Here it's off, low. You can look at this one, low, medium, and high. And caution: when you are changing the temperature ranges, you must not change it when the water is flowing. You have to turn off your tap before you change the water temperature. You change the temperature here using the knob. When you do that, the
element will burn out.
Pause. When you change the water temperature, when the water is flowing, it will interfere with the contactors. And if you look at this part, you will see some sparks, which means the contactors will be destroyed if you do that. And now I want to show you the most critical part of this thing. You can, if my camera personnel can zoom in. The people have been asking about the element replacement, and here this is now the basic part. You come here, you can look at here. You come open it here. This part, you open it this way, just gently. You don't fight with it, gently. This way. Then it has an arrow. You turn it anti-clockwise to open, like this, just gently. This way. And here we have on this cover we have a rubber. This rubber, when accidentally you misplace this rubber, which means your shower will start leaking and you'll have a problem. I have a sample here to show you. This is how the element looks like in its packaging. This one. This is how it looks like. And I'll just use a certain element here for demonstration for you to see, but it's not the exact element of the shower. So I'll use this one. It looks like this. And if my camera personnel can zoom here, this thing, it has indications. We have A, B, and C. See here, A, B, and C. So while you are replacing your element, you have to note these sections, because you'll come and take this one, the first terminal on A, put it inside there, part A. Then you ensure the coil is passing out here. Then point B, like this, point B. Then we go to point C. We go to point C. Point C, there we are. Then after replacing your element, you take your cover, this one, ensure the rubber is at the right place, because when you put it at the wrong place, your shower will leak. Turn it this way, just gently. You don't fight with it. When you fight with it, you have some serious problems, huh? Like this one. Then we turn the other one, the other part, gently, like that, and your shower done. So if you want such a shower, you can go to our website www.tungsten.co.ke and you place your order there. You get it delivered the same day. Thank you.